In today's video, I'll be showing you how I keep my hair moisturized under wigs in order to achieve maximum growth and to retain length. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Candice Laverne, and welcome to my channel, honey, or welcome back if you've been tuned in. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I keep my hair moisturized under wigs in order to achieve maximum growth and to retain length. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching and let's get right into this. Okay guys, so before I get into the video and actually show you what I do, I'm going to be showing you what I use, and don't worry, I will link everything below. Usually I start off with a leave-in conditioner spray. This is the one I use. It doesn't have to be this one. I just use whatever I have. Either I use a leave-in conditioner spray or I use water. It doesn't have to be leave-in conditioner either. So yes, you just need to use this because the first thing you need to do is dampen your hair before you moisturize it so that the moisture can really lock in. So I use this. Then after using that, I would use hair food oil on my scalp, like in between the cornrows. And this is the oil that I'm using. It's the same brand as this, Natural Fusions. Like I said, it doesn't have to be a specific brand. I just use what I have. After I use the leave-in conditioner spray and the oil on my scalp, I take some conditioner and I apply it to like my whole hair. And this is the one that I use, the Moisture Hair Care. Like, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly. Yeah, this is the one I use. So a conditioner. And after I use the conditioner, I seal my hair off with olive oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil to seal my hair. So I've had my hair in for 2 weeks now. Last night I did co-wash my hair for the first time since I did put these cornrows in. For anyone that doesn't know, co-washing is just washing your hair with a conditioner only and not with a shampoo, just so you don't strip all the moisture out of your hair. I did wash my hair because, you know, I need some water running through my scalp. That'd be hitting. But yeah, those are the 4 things you'll be needing: a leave-in conditioner spray, scalp oil, conditioner, and olive oil to seal. I love using olive oil on my hair because it's the best for my hair. I don't think coconut oil works on my hair, so if coconut oil works for you, then use that. By the way guys, link in the description box to my bonnet and my edge band. You can get it online at www.herhustleboutique.com. I will leave the link below. Make sure you get it, and follow my hair page on Instagram at her.hustle and my hair boutique page at herhustleboutique, so you can see all of my posts on any upcoming sales. I will be having my first sale soon on the website. I haven't had any sales before, so look out for that as well. So let's get started. I'll just be taking off my bonnet and my head scarf now. So yeah, like I said guys, I did co-wash my hair last night and I haven't moisturized it yet since. I did a video on me reinstalling my hair. So the last hair video I made was about me reinstalling my hair. It was my second ever install on myself, and I decided to experiment and try out 7 layers of got2b spray on my head.
Got him! Got him!
For maximum hold, and it did last me 5 days, and on the 5th day I did have to like apply a little bit more on the outline of the lace just for the little bit lifting that was happening. So I did do that, and then it lasted me a full 7 days. Basically, yo, I would say I did do about 5 layers in the mid-center of my head and on either side of my head, and also a layer of the black got2b gel. But next time I'll be trying a little different because I don't know if my skin had a reaction to the spray. After taking it off, my scalp was there was kind of like these little patches on my forehead, like around my hairline, and at first I thought maybe it was extra hair glue or something, but it's not. Like, I've scrubbed my face, I've used alcohol rub to remove the excess glue and everything, and it hasn't gone. It just feels like dry skin at the moment, so I think maybe either it irritated my skin, it burnt my skin, or yeah. But on the first installation I did do on myself, which lasted me I think 48 hours. I only used 2 layers. I didn't get a reaction like this. That's the whole point of experimenting. Like, you live and you learn, you find out what works for you best. My first installation, I didn't have any bad reaction, but it only lasted me 48 hours. My second one, I had a bad reaction and it lasted me 7 days. My next installation on myself, I think I'm going to try 1 layer of the black ought to be gel and 2 layers of the spray. Either that or 3 layers of the spray and 1 layer of the got to be gel. I'll be testing now for my 3rd time to see how long it lasts me and to see that I don't get a reaction with it. So let's get into my moisturization routine. So my hair is kind of dry. That's why I'll be using this spray to damp my hair before I moisturize. And guys, I'm looking dusty because, as you know, mom life. And I don't know if you guys can see what my jumper says. Can y'all see that? It says messy hair don't care, because a girl, I really don't care. I'm trying not to curse. A girl really don't care, okay?
My name is Pam. I don't give a damn.
After my hair, I think my hair is damp enough to soak in moisture. I'll be taking the hair food oil and applying it to my scalp. I'm applying it in between my cornrows. And usually I would do this about 1 to 2 times a week. I don't really do it every day because I don't want my hair to be weighed down in oils and products. Well, I do it about 1 to 2 times a week, and then every 2 weeks I co-wash my hair. Now that I've rubbed in this oil, actually, you know, rub it in a little better, massage my scalp, stimulate my scalp so it can really take in the moisture and all of that oil that we putting in there. Stimulation to my scalp will bring stimulation to my growth. Speaking of growth, let's see, my hair's grown a bit, I think. Don't know if you guys can see that. And this has just been 2 weeks. But yeah, I don't know if that's actually accurate growth or if it's just because I didn't corner my hair very tight and it's just lifting easily. But we're gonna find out when I take it out on the 6th week and measure my hair. So after stimulating my scalp, just gonna do a little bit more on my edges too. And by the way, guys, just so you know, my second installation, I didn't lose any edges or anything. Like, that's why I say apply your glue in front of your hairline. I didn't lose any edges, but I just got that reaction from the glue on my skin. Next, I'll be using the conditioner. And I'm just gonna rub that into my hair just to keep my hair as moisturized as possible. I don't really put grease on my cornrows when it's braided. I put it on it before I braid my hair, but like before I cornrow my hair, but not when it's already cornrowed. I just feel like conditioner soaks in better. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub that in also, stimulate my scalp so I can stimulate some growth, honey. Guys, I actually really hope this footage is acceptable because this video needs to go out tomorrow. I'm looking dusty as hell.
Somebody said, they said, Grandma, is that you? Block. Delete.
And now to seal in all of that moisture we've just added, just gonna use a bit of olive oil to seal my hair. I'm gonna rub that on my edges. I did experience postpartum hair loss with my edges for my daughter, my second child, my daughter. My hair did grow during that pregnancy also, but after having her, I did experience postpartum hair loss on my edges, and my edges dipped. So now I'm gonna need it to, you know, be fully restored. Okay, it ain't there 100% yet. It's nearly there. Like you can see the places where it left. I try my best to avoid it for this third baby when it comes. Hopefully I can fight the postpartum hair loss to my edges. It's gonna take a little tiny dime size more. This is enough to keep me going for 3 days, guys. So that is the end of my moisturization routine. Okay guys, so that's the end of my moisturization routine now, and as you can see, I'm looking crazy on YouTube. Y'all see what I be doing for y'all? I be really putting myself out there like this to share my tips for hair growth. So with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give a like, to subscribe, and to leave a comment below on any kind of hair tips you'd like me to share with you next, and any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Y'all, I'm about to edit this video. If this footage is not good, I'm gonna be so angry.